In the intricate tapestry of human interaction, the diplomat, the mediator, and the mender stand as pillars of tolerance and understanding. These archetypes navigate the complex waters of human relationships, embodying the essential trait of tolerance. These individuals have an innate need to belong and seek acceptance, qualities that allow them to see beyond their own judgments and agendas. Their essence lies in perspective awareness. They hold space for others, intuiting the underlying human conditions that shape our behaviors. Their presence is a sanctuary where people feel seen, heard, and supported. In the professional realm, the diplomat is a unifier. Their words are bridges that connect disparate opinions, diffusing conflicts before they ignite. They are masters of flexibility, guiding discussions towards harmonious outcomes. Whether negotiating peace treaties or resolving corporate disputes, their ability to foster agreements where each party can sacrifice and invite resolution is unparalleled. In their role, they embody patience and see broader perspectives and tolerance to help others move forward and find productive outcomes. The mediator thrives in social settings, seeing multiple perspectives and addressing emotional needs without being overwhelmed. They bring logic to emotionally charged situations, fostering resolution and flexibility. Mediators can see the hidden threads that connect different viewpoints, weaving them together into a cohesive whole that respects and acknowledges all sides. In the spiritual sphere, the mender is a beacon of light and shadow integration. They manage and mix energies, providing a safe haven for individuals to explore and heal from their inner conflicts. Therapists, relationship counselors, and rehab workers often embody this archetype, creating spaces where people feel safe to delve into their deepest fears and hopes. The mender's presence is a balm, offering understanding and acceptance that allows others to venture into parts of themselves they might otherwise avoid. They have a unique gift for holding space, intuiting the needs of those they support, and guiding them gently towards healing and self-acceptance. But the path of tolerance may become fraught with challenges. When under-evolved, these archetypes may find themselves consumed by others' distress, unable to maintain their role as observers and guides. Boundaries blur, and they might inadvertently fuel drama rather than resolve it. Over-utilization of their trait can lead to meddling in others' affairs uninvited, turning manageable issues into sources of distress. The lack of moderation and discernment can result in making mountains out of molehills, misunderstanding the value of challenge, and creating a cycle of dependency rather than empowerment. In their thriving state, these archetypes are the epitome of balanced wisdom and support. They connect with all people, gleaning insights from diverse experiences while maintaining a healthy detachment through acceptance. This mastery of balance fosters deep connections and ignites their gift in every interaction. Through acceptance, detachment, and a profound understanding of human nature, the diplomat, mediator, and mender archetypes transform our world. Their tolerance not only bridges divides, but also nurtures a culture of empathy, patience, and unity. They teach us that true strength lies in understanding, and that through tolerance and support, we can create a more harmonious and connected society.